Everywhere I turn, no matter where I look, the systems in control is all ran by the book. I got to get away so I can free my mind. Escape is what I need from the electric lights. No matter where I am, I see my face around. They've been lies on my name that push them town to town. Don't have a place to run, but there's no need to hide. I got to find a place, but I won't hide away. Escape, gotta get away from the system, to the world again. Escape, the pressure that I feel from relationship, had to go away. Escape, the man was a good man, runs the life that has no name. Escape, I do what I want, and I see nobody. Escape. I tried to share my life with someone I could love, but getting money is all she ever thought of. How could that be my fault when she gambled and lost? I'm tired of sitting, time to make a change. Why is it I can't do whatever I want to? When it's my personal life and I don't live for you. So don't you try to tell me what is right for me. To be concerned about you, I can't do what I want to.